Indian automotive industry is going through a huge growth. And we are now taking you to Chennai, which is also called the Detroit of Asia. We are now coming up with Auto Component Show and Auto Aftermarket Show, catering to the 35% market share of automotive industry in India. This exhibition will not only give you access to exhibitors from India, but across the world. We have exhibitors from Japan, South Korea, and various other countries. We have visitor delegations confirmed from Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, as well as a lot of different Southeast Asian countries. This is now the best opportunity for you to engage and grow your business in the automotive industry. So I welcome you once again to the Auto Component Show from 31st July to 2nd August 2026 in Chennai Trade Center.